from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I want to do a long-term review and give you an update on my Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. I've been having it for about 6 months now, 7 months. I think it's going on about 7, maybe. But I've been having it for a while, and I haven't updated y'all on my experience with it lately, so I just want to give y'all an update on it. By the title, I'm going to explain that in just a little bit in the video, so that way, you know, y'all know why I made the title the way I did. You also let me know how does I sound, how does everything look. This is being shot with the Pixel 6a at 4K at 30. I have it sitting in my windshield in my car, so let's see if it overheats or not. That will be determined soon. But let's get into it. On the tablet, I just want to go over a few things I like about it, and then some things I don't like about it, or some concerns I have about it, and just have a discussion. If you have the tablet, let me know. If you don't have it, you know, do you plan on getting it, and what y'all thoughts about it too. And we can go over the specs a little bit too, so let's go over that real quick. It has a 14.6 inch AMOLED dynamic panel here. It is a beautiful display. I mean, when you look at it, it is a beautiful display. It has a 11,400 milliamp hour battery on here, and my camera keeps on moving. It also has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in it. So it's a very powerful tablet. It comes with the latest and greatest from Samsung. It's running Android 12. It has the Samsung OS on there over the Android, so you get all the benefits that you would get from, say, the S22 Ultra or any other Samsung device. Now, it does include a pen, which the pen support is great. I mean, you can use the pen for many different features on there. But the one thing about the display is, if you are in the middle of the day outside, say you're using it for a kid's game, or you bring it outside for whatever reason, the display does not get as bright as you would think it would. Maybe they're trying to save battery, maybe they got a cheaper panel, I don't know, but it's definitely not as bright during the day. For me, I don't use it that much in the day, or as far as outside, so it's not like a deal breaker. I'm not going to sit at Starbucks outside and try to use my tablet. I don't use my tablet in that way, so not a big deal for me. Also, the speakers on here, I wish like they was like facing towards you instead of out on the side. It just, you know, it just pushes the sound to the side of it. So I think if it was facing towards you some kind of way, at least a pair of them, it would just sound better. Y'all let me know about that. As far as any other complaints, I mean, there's really not much. Battery life is pretty decent. You can push it pretty good. Will it last you a day? I can get a day out of it, maybe a little bit less than a day, just depending on what you're doing. The front-facing camera is okay. I mean, it's great for like Zoom meetings and team meetings and like that, but you're not going to vlog with this tablet. Now, the rear camera does pretty good though too. Overall, playing games on here, it's a beast. Like, there's so many different things you can do with this tablet that makes it a beast. Like, I have videos on my channel where I show y'all how to use it as a remote desktop. I also made where you can use it as dual screens. There's many different applications you can use it. A lot of creators start using this to edit videos. I know we are waiting for the, oh man, I forgot the name of the app, the editing app. If y'all know the editing app that I'm thinking about, let me know in the comments. I totally forgot what it is. But we're still waiting for that for Android. I think it's iOS. What is it? Filmic Pro or something? Maybe that's it. But we still waiting for that. For me, when I'm editing a video, I'm comfortable with Adobe Premiere Pro. It does have, you can get Adobe Rush on here. For me, it's not the same. It's really not. But let me explain why this will not replace my laptop. The way I use my laptop every day, the way I have it set up, it just makes sense for me. I'm kind of used to it. I'm kind of used to the laptop. I don't see this ever replacing it. Even with the apps, once you get like Filmic Pro or Adobe Rush, I'm just not used to those. I'm too old to want to learn something new. I'm pretty set in Adobe Premiere Pro and the way I use my laptop. Now, but that doesn't mean that it won't replace a laptop for y'all. I can see a lot of people getting rid of their laptops if you get like the keyboard case here, or you can just get a keyboard and a Bluetooth keyboard and a mouse and use that perfectly fine, and nobody will say anything. And people might do that without, having a laptop. But for me, I can't say this is going to replace the laptop. I wish I actually used the tablet more than I actually do. I open it up once in a while. It's there. If I want to watch Netflix, I don't want to turn on my TV, I use the tablet. If I'm in, laying down somewhere and I have the tablet, yeah, it's just a bigger screen to watch YouTube videos on than watching it on like my S22 Ultra or the Pixel 6a. But overall, I don't see, for me, it's not going to replace my laptop. I'm sorry, it's just not going to do it. But it doesn't mean that this tablet is not horrible. I use it with my laptop, and what I mean by that is that in conjunction with my laptop, I use this as a dual screen. I use the dual screen a lot, especially if I'm working from home or if I want to build Excel sheets. So for me, that traffic is way too bad. U-turn. For me, I just don't see it replacing my laptop. But don't get me wrong, it doesn't take away from the overall experience with the Tab S8 Ultra. I still think it's a beast though, but I wish I just used it more. I wish I actually, I just wish I used it more. I don't know, is it the tablet or is it me? That's what I need to find out. If y'all have the tablet, let me know how you use it. Do you think it can replace your laptop? Do you think you need the laptop once you have this tablet, or do you feel like I do? But I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on my experience. Hopefully you like these type of car vlog reviews and updates. I think people do, and I kind of like it myself. I like driving around. Y'all can see San Antonio and everywhere else, around me. And plus y'all can hear baby girl too. But y'all let me know how this looks, how this sound, because again, this was shot with the Pixel 6a. I'm at 8 minutes in 4K at 30, and it has not overheated. Hey, I don't know what it is. It is what it is. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Later.